Pat's Listening English. Clear stories for your ears. Here we go. Noah, you look surprised. What was that phone call about?
It was from my boss. I have a sudden business trip. A business trip means going away for work.
A sudden business trip? Where are you going?
To London. A short meeting and a contract signing. Just 3 days.
3 days? That's really quick. When do you leave?
Tomorrow morning. The flight is early.
Tomorrow? Wow. I didn't expect that at all. London. I've always wanted to go. But can I really join him? Can I take time off? It might be fun. Noah, can I come with you?
Oh, come with me? Really? That would be great. But it's for work, you know.
It's okay. I can take a few days off. Let's make it a short trip together.
Okay, let's do it. Pack your bags quickly.
Okay, I'll start packing. I'm already excited.
Me too. I just hope the meeting goes well.
The traffic is light today. We should arrive on time.
Yeah, being on time is important.
Flights don't wait. So, what's the meeting about again?
A new contract with a client. A contract is an agreement.
You'll do great, Noah. After the meeting, we can explore London too.
Yes, sightseeing sounds fun. Maybe Big Ben or the London Eye.
I can't wait. Oh, there's the airport sign. I hope we didn't forget anything. Passports, chargers, toothpaste. I'll check again inside.
Here we are. Wow, it's busy this morning.
Yes, lots of travelers. First, we need to check in.
Check-in means getting our boarding passes and checking our bags.
Right, let's find our airline counter.
There it is. The line is short, nice.
Passports and e-tickets ready?
Yes, all ready.
Hello, can I see your passports and flight number?
Here you go. We're flying to London.
Great. Do you have any bags to check today?
Yes, one suitcase for both of us.
Okay. Please place the bag on the scale.
Sure, here it is.
Perfect. It's under the weight limit. Would you like window or aisle seats?
Window seat, please.
All right. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is gate 12. Boarding starts at 9:20.
Thank you.
Okay, next is security. The line is moving fast. What do we need to take off?
Shoes off, please. And remove your belt and jacket.
Okay, shoes and belt. Got it.
All electronics, larger than a cell phone, must go in a separate bin. Laptops out, please.
Right. I'll take out my laptop.
And liquids under 100 milliliters, right?
Yes. All liquids must be in a clear quart-size bag. Do you have one?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Now please empty your pockets. Everything. Keys, coins, phone.
Oh, sorry. I still had my keys. Here you go.
Okay. Please place your keys in the bin as well. Step forward and place your feet on the yellow marks. Hands up. Wait for the green light. Okay, all clear. You're all set. You can go ahead.
All clear? Great. Let's go to our gate. Hey, Noah, what is TSA PreCheck? I see the sign over there.
Oh, that. It's a special security line for pre-approved travelers. It's faster and easier.
Faster and easier? How is it different?
Well, if you have TSA PreCheck, you don't need to take off your shoes, belt, or jacket. And you don't need to take your laptop or liquids out of your bag.
Really? That sounds amazing. So people just walk through?
Pretty much. They still scan you, but it's much faster. The line is usually shorter too.
Wow, that's really convenient. I can see why people like it.
Yeah. But you need to apply and get approved first. Not everyone can use it.
Good to know. Well, boarding starts in 20 minutes. Want some coffee?
Coffee sounds good. Black, please.
Okay, I'll get some. Do you want anything to eat? A sandwich?
No, just coffee is fine. And thanks. I feel less nervous with you here.
Good. This trip will be fun and useful.
Oh, look. They're calling our flight.
Time to board. Our adventure begins. Thanks for listening.
See you next story.